Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Cakewalk Next on your Windows laptop or PC step by step. Cakewalk Next is a modern, streamlined digital audio workstation built for fast music creation. It's perfect for songwriters, beatmakers, and content creators who want a simple and intuitive workflow without the complexity of a traditional DAW. Before we begin, here's a quick clarification. Cakewalk Next is not a replacement for Cakewalk by BandLab. Cakewalk Next focuses on simplicity, creativity, and modern music making, while Cakewalk Sonar is designed for advanced production. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type cakewalk.com/next, then press enter. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the download options. Click on Download for Windows. The installer will start downloading. This will be in .exe file. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Cakewalk installer file. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to run. The setup wizard will open. Click Next. Review the information. Choose your installation location, or leave it as default, and continue by clicking Next a few more times. Then click Install. Wait a few moments while Cakewalk Center installs on your PC. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Cakewalk Center should launch automatically. If it doesn't, open the Start menu, search for Cakewalk Center, and launch it manually. When Cakewalk Center opens for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in with your BandLab account. After signing in, select Cakewalk Next from the sidebar and click Install. If Windows shows another security prompt, click Yes to continue. The Cakewalk Next setup wizard will open. Click Next. Confirm the installation location or keep the default settings, and continue by clicking Next until you reach the install screen. Then click Install. Wait while Cakewalk Next installs on your system. Once the installation is complete, Cakewalk Next should launch automatically. If not, you can open it anytime from the Start menu. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Cakewalk Next on your Windows laptop or PC. If you're looking for a full professional digital audio workstation with advanced mixing and editing tools, Cakewalk Sonar is the better choice. But if you want a fast, simple, and creative workflow, Cakewalk Next is an excellent option. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more music production tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.